Here's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual telescoping steering column, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, external memory control, active grille shutters, Bluetooth, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.